Hey, I'm Chintan Kuya. I'm gonna tell about a CH program for faculty selection. Here I have used dedicates. Talking about dedicates, as in C and C++, we have pointers for pointing to a particular storage space, but in C hash we use dedicates for storing to a particular function. Coming to my program, here I have declared the dedicates. This is the structure format for declaring a dedicate. The access specifier I have given as public, and the dedicate is the dedicate keyword that's dedicate, and this data type, and this is the dedicate name. I have a class called program. Coming to that program, I have declared the needed variables. This is for the subject. I have declared a data type string and the staff name, and this is for timetable, and the needed variables are declared. And the students should choose any 5 subjects out of the 7 subjects. I have given the option for selection, and this is inside a while loop, so exactly when the student chooses a 5 subject, it gets executed. And the next, I have a class called function called public called or display. In this display, display the name of the subject and the timetable, like which all hours to that period comes in, and we ask for the student's register number, and we take the choices from the student. And this in a if else if that is if loop, so it goes on each goes on for each subject. And the next function is public void staff registration, and here I have given the registration. This is a header, and we can select the subject by subject. If I have selected the subject 1, it will be using this subject 1 I have given as data structure. So if I choose 1, it will go for the data structures option. I have given a list of faculties who teaches data structure. Student can select the faculty out of these and see if take the choice. And again we use a if statement for faculty name equal to 1, staff name is assigned as Mathikun, and if staff name is equal to 2, Ms. Akila, and if it is 3, it's Mr. Felix, and so on. And that's just for the first subject, and because use the same method for the second, third, and for all 5 subjects and out of 7 subjects. And after that, the next one is the current status. After that, after registering, you can your status like data structure. If we have what subject, according to what subject we have selected, out of 7, 5 we have selected, so we can see what are the 5 subjects and what are the 5 faculties we have selected for each subject. And next, we have the next as for timetable. We can in title we have the details of subject name, hours, and the staff name teaching that subject as in a if statement. So it goes for all the 5 subjects we have selected out of 7. And next one is for timetable. The main class comes here. Here we have again created an object for the program and an object for the delegate. We use to using that we retrieved all the classes, all the functions we have done. And let's open up the program. Just check the output. Okay, subject registration. Enter the register number. I'll just give us 13CS064. Choose any 5 subjects. I'll just select the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and 5th one. See here I have the data structure, Unix architecture, database management system, Java, and operating system. And for the first one, I have shown the 3 faculties who are teaching data structures. I'll go with Mr. Matthew Korean. And for the second one is Unix architecture. There are 2 staff teaching this, Ms. Esther Daniel and Ms. Durga. I'll take the second one, Ms. Durga. And the third subject is database management system. There's Ms. Gracie Nadi, Mr. Suresh, and Ms. Ramalakshmi. I'll go for Mr. Suresh. And Java, we have Mr. Bright and Mr. Blessed. I go with Mr. Blessed. And for the fifth one is operating system. We have Mr. Venkatesan and Mr. Sibin. I will go with Sibin. See here we have got the details of all what we have done. Current strategies, I have taken data structures and I have chosen the faculty Mathikurian. Second one is Unix architecture. I have chosen Stuka. Third one is database management system. I have Mr. Suresh. And the fourth one is Java. I have Mr. Pulasa. And the fifth one is operating system. I have Mr. Shibin. And here are my details. My register number is CS064. The subjects are shown here, and the hours are shown here, and staff is also shown here. And that's all for my program. Thank you for your time.